Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Now, TVJ Sports has been reliably informed that the government has finally signed a contract for the track at the National Stadium to be relayed before the ISA Boys and Girls Athletics Championships, which starts on March 25.
According to well-placed sources who spoke on condition of not being named, the Sports Ministry signed the contract over the weekend with the work to be carried out by track manufacturers Rekortan. This development comes 2 weeks after TVJ Sports first reported that Sports Minister Olivia Grange confirmed that high-level talks were taking place with a view to have the track relayed. When TVJ Sports checked with General Manager of the Independence Park Limited IPL, Major Desmond Brown, on Monday evening for confirmation that the contract had been signed, he referred us to the ministry whom he said were handling the negotiations. Several attempts to reach Sports Minister Grange directly via telephone on Monday and Tuesday were unsuccessful up to sports time. However, our sources indicate that the minister is set to make an announcement within days. It's further understood that the bid by Rekortan via Grand Slam track came in approximately $100,000 less than the bid by BSW Reggae of around $400,000. TVJ Sports sources revealed that while Reggae indicated that the work could not be completed within the 30-day window between the Gibson McCook relays and the start of champs, owing to unforeseen weather conditions in Jamaica, Rekortan has given the undertaking that the work can be done within the time frame. It's understood that an official from World Athletics is scheduled to arrive in the island on Wednesday to test the integrity of the current Reggae track. The track, which was constructed in January 2021, is certified at Level 1 up until July 2026 on the World Athletics Certification System. Meanwhile, there have been mixed reactions from President of the J3A's Gov't and a couple of coaches to news that the attempt is being made to relay the track within the 1-month period.
One thing I know for sure, we are in constant dialogue with IPL and relevant government agencies, and yes, the time is short. It is not within the normal window to do such a enormous task, but I believe that the right decision will be made within the given timeline. We're taking all factors into play, and we are hoping that whatever the final decision will be made from the Independence Park Limited side, the government side, along with us, that it will be to the best interest of the athletes, first and foremost, and Jamaica at large.
If these administrators are the people who are putting the track down, did not know and believe that it's going to be ready for boys champs, I don't think they would have done it. Because right now, we could have competed on what is there. But for the slam, what's the name of that meet?
Grand Slam.
Grand Slam. So with the TV, the national TV that they're getting, they don't want to come out their first time on a track like that. So they're all coming together to see that we can get a track and still have boys championship.
Well, I'm a little bit worried, yes. I really thinking about it. But knowing we as Jamaicans, we are the best at what we do. So I'm pretty confident whosoever, they will get the job done.
Checks revealed that Rekortan, which was recommended by Grand Slam Track, operates in several regions to include Europe, the Middle East, Africa, and the Americas. Keon Reina reporting for TVJ Sports.